Oh, good morning, everybody. Seems to be kind of dark today. Well, we're starting early, opening up for everybody. Let's go. Day 77, baby. Woo! Amazon, let's go. Successful. Ube malasara, baby. Oh, hey, Baba. Thank you, Ian. Appreciate it, boss. Oh, that's what we have today. 135 stops. Yes, 166 packages. Let's go. All right. Hey. Here we go. 13 totes and 18 overflows. All right, here we go. Thanks to my bosses, Ian and Dev, for bringing my first 2 carts. Now I'm just about to load up. What's up, guys? Look at you guys. Oh, so cute. Travis, how you doing? All right, gentlemen, how was your route today? Taylor, go ahead.
So easy. Excuse the language, but it was very, very easy.
All right,
you can edit that.
What about you, Denver? How was your route?
Same deal. I got Coacaluke. I love being over there.
Love the hair.
the windblown white boy.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Yes, sir.